Yeah, this was actually the first building off of building one that my dad made. And you could tell this is a little primitive, but he was always like, "Oh, I helped build this with my own hands." Sometimes back in the day, this is what you got to do: save money and build it yourself or the help of some friends. But you can tell this is where we finally have space to hang these rugs. So this was my playground when it came down to it. It's like a jungle gym mixed with some of the best, products you can get in the world. I mean, these are literally hand knotted pieces of artwork, and there's kids here that kind of just, you see them on Saturdays running around, and I think that adds a little bit of fun to it. I've always, sort of been into the aesthetics and interior design, and obviously I've always wanted a really cool house. I mean, that's just part of, I kind of live it and breathe it here. So I've always kind of been known for having all these cool items that go into a home, and just finally being able to have a house on Monument, especially that house, is just, I mean, it is kind of a dream come true. Sometimes you don't really know what the dream is until it comes right in front of you.